Okay, part 2, a beautiful day today. Walking around CoCo Market, getting in some grounding, beautiful surroundings, great vibes, and with now some great information on a healthier way to live continues. Please help build my channel by subscribing and liking and commenting on my video. Enjoy the rest of the festivities.
My name is Dr. Nikki Davis. I'm the founder and owner of Living Refuge, an integrative mental health wellness center in Delray Beach. I also have a satellite office in Jupiter, and I'm incredibly passionate about making sure that people get trauma-informed wellness services. I think that wellness is really popular right now, and it's important to make sure that we are paying attention to what people are bringing to us as wellness providers. So that's why I'm here, mostly to just educate. So thank you so much for having me here today. I'm really excited. So my website is livingrefuge.org or @livingrefuge on Instagram, and I offer all kinds of coursework and consultation. I work with professionals that maybe need some support around offering trauma-informed care in their own practices, and for the public if they want to learn mindfulness skills and strategies. I'm also a psychotherapist for 20 years, so if somebody's looking for psychotherapy, I can help them myself or help them find somebody that is really, really wise and well-informed in what they do.
My name is Lotus. I am the founder of Namaste Lotus Yoga. So these are 100% organic products, and they're handmade in India. And they're plant dyed with Ayurvedic herbs, the healing power of Ayurvedic herbs. So it's nourishing not just your body, but also to help to save the planet as well. And you can find us on Namaste Lotus Yoga. Thank you. I don't know. So it also comes with soap nuts that you can wash the mat with. So the mat are actually washable. Yeah, so these are the soap nuts that you can wash them with. Yeah.
All right. Hi, my name is Joseph. I'm one of the owners of the Space Fort Lauderdale and the Space Del Rey. We are a wellness center. We have cold plunge, hot sauna, red light therapy, and breath work. Those are our four major components. So the best thing about cold plunge is it removes all inflammation in your body. So inflammation is a leading cause of pretty much every illness out there. So you take that away, your body's able to heal itself. It speeds up your metabolism. It burns fat. It improves your sleep rhythms. It releases oxytocin and dopamine, which are the happy, feel-good hormones. You have adrenaline as well. So when you get out of the cold plunge, you actually are in a really good mood. You feel really happy and you have lots of energy. And it lasts for about 4 to 5 hours with no crash like you'd have from caffeine or sugar. So if you cold plunge regularly, if you had a bad back or a bad knee or any type of injury, this will actually speed up that healing process and can prevent further future injuries as well. So it's the best way to start your day in the morning or to midday, keep that energy going, or just in the afternoon or evening to relax. Our saunas are really good as well. And then you have to try our transformational breath work. That is absolutely amazing. It's why we opened up this business, the combination of breathwork and cold plunge. When you put those two things together, you feel like you can conquer the world. So you can reach us on our website at thespaceftl.com or thespacedelray.com.
CoCo Market, we're so happy that you guys are coming out and enjoying the health and wellness services here. My name's Maddox. I'm the founder of Boca Raton Wellness Pass. We do a lot of many things, but the main thing is we connect the best health and wellness businesses throughout Palm Beach County. We put them on one digital pass, which allows you to go around and earn points at every store that we're partnered with. You can exchange those points for really cool rewards on our platform, like our supplements too. So come by, check us out, and if you want to learn more, just look up bocaheal.com. We have a huge footprint in the Palm Beach County community, and we'd love to help you feel your best and start healing today.
Hi, I'm Anna from Walker and Wade, and we have resort wear here. Our motto is beach to table, so we're known for our lightweight fabric, and you can wear these outfits to the beach and then dress it up for dinner. You can find us at walkerandwade.com and Walker and Wade on Instagram.
Krista Belli, and the name of the company is NSO Lab Wellness Center, and we own 3 centers, one in Delray Beach, one in West Palm Beach, and one in Stewart. We are new around here, and we offer red light therapy, vibration platform exercise, lymphatic roller machines. We also do semaglutide weight loss. We do skin treatment, skin rejuvenation, scalp rejuvenation for hair growth, and everything like that. I got into this because I am diabetic and I'm on an insulin pump, and medication was not helping me. So I was looking into something more holistic, and using the red light therapy has helped my glucose numbers immensely. And the plus side of it, my skin's tightening. I'm 59 and my wrinkles are going away. So I'm aging backwards. That's the word. Aging backwards. And that's it. You can reach us at nsolab.com. We have a website on Instagram. We're on Facebook. We're on YouTube. You can see different videos on YouTube. And we have a commercial coming out in November. And you can also email us at sales@nsolab.com. You can call us at 561-698-0688.
No se te olvide de dónde viniste. En silencio, aclarando ruido. Alivio en el alma tú vas a encontrar. Ábrete corazón. Confía que siempre existe una solución. Alinea tu centro, busca muy adentro. Tu luz divina tú vas a brillar.
All good things come to an end. I hope you had a wonderful time with me. I learned so much. I hope you did as well, and you're on your way to starting a healthy living. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow and also allows me to create more videos.